Wide, loose and rocky. Hello everyone, we've started a ride from the Dales Bike Centre today. No particular route planned, but we'll set off nice and early because it's going to be absolutely scorching today. See how we get on. That's the old gang mine there. Nice place for a coffee stop. Short break and then we're heading left up and over the moonscape. Here we are at the top of Bunton Hush on a glorious sunny day. Nice views up here. Right, first proper descent down alongside Bunton Hush. We're following the main track round wherever it is. There it is. That's where you turn off for Bunton Hush down there. I know, I've gone off course. But we're going this way. Went off course a little bit there, but never mind. Woo! Oh, my brakes aren't slowing me down very much today. Whoa! Woo! This is an interesting way around. Wow, that's tight, John. Lovely stuff. Careful here because I don't know where I'm going. My brakes are struggling. Whoa. Oh Jesus, that's tight, you bugger. John did well there. Wow. Amazing. Now, again, take it easy because I can't quite see what I'm doing. That is a... oh my God. So this is a glorious spot at the bottom of Bunton Hush, which is up that way. We've just come from down there, which was a lovely descent. Some ruins down there. There's the finger post, and we are heading along that track there, which I don't think I've ever ridden before. So we'll see what that's like. Look at the view up here. Marvellous. Here we go. Wow, loose and rocky. Bit of a drop on the left hand side there. Oh, it's lovely this though. Oh my God. Well, you beauty. That was a good one, wasn't it?
How was that, buddy?
Oh my God. Oh. Look at that. Rocky bit of climbing. A bit techie. Ah, it's nice down here, isn't it?
I'm going to die from there, Peter.
I thought that was him diving.
He's going to get his helmet on.
Little bit of a push up after the stream. Nice bit of climbing out the Gunnerside Gill. Glorious views to the left hand side. Right, looks like we're heading down now after a rather enjoyable climb. Nice firm tracks. Oh, 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 bugger. That hurt. I think I'm okay though. A bugger. Nice scrape on my back there. Yeah, I wasn't concentrating there. Ended up on the side rather than on the flat. A bit of a sawn track descent here. A little bit loose this. Bike goes on forever this. Now this is a really tough climb up from the electric gate. It's only the second time I've climbed this. Makes a much better descent. You can see why. It's very varied and it gets steep towards the end, very rocky. It's a really tough climb. Especially in weather like this, absolutely roasting. Got a nice traverse now back to the Dales Bike Centre. Oh, and a descent. This is a good one. Very cross country. Oh. Only the second time I've done this bit. Got a lovely view as it opens out down here. Woo! Oh shit. Through the gate. That's a fun little descent. Another nice descent down the gate. Way! Couple of bumps. Grassy but bumpy at the same time. There's the gate. Oh. Lovely. Right, last descent onto a bit of stony track before we get onto the swale trail. Here's the swale trail. Nice way of getting back. Quite a family orientated bit of trail this. Coasting along. Thank you. Lovely bit of the swale trail this. Oh, apart from the gates. Oh. Dry as a bone today. And a nice little turn off to the left. Oh, lovely. Well, that was our little ride out over Swaledale, over to Gunnerside Gill and out the other side. Some new trails on it that I've never done before. However, I wouldn't recommend it as a route, so what I'll do is I'll add a couple of decent routes in the description to follow instead. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit.